India's coronavirus tally crossed the 75 lakh mark on Monday with 55,722 fresh COVID-19 cases and 579 deaths in just 24 hours. While the total case stood at 75.5 lakh, the death toll was reported at 1,14,610. The figures come a day after the government-appointed committee of experts on the coronavirus pandemic warned of an exponential increase of 26 lakh cases within a month if COVID-19 precautions are not followed properly during the festive season and the oncoming winter. The 10-member committee headed by Niti Aayog member V.K. Paul arrived at the figure after conducting a study on the progression of the COVID-19 pandemic in India, prognosis and lockdown impacts based on a mathematical model to map COVID-19 progression. It can be as much as up to 26 lakh cases within a month, the panel said, warning of a second wave of infection in the winter season when respiratory viruses thrive in cooler temperatures. The committee set up by Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India has concluded in its assessment that the approaching festive season may increase the susceptibility of the infection. A video of senior Congress leader Kamal Nath using the word item, reportedly for a former woman colleague who switched over to the BJP, has created a furore amid campaigning for the bypolls scheduled for November 3rd in 28 Madhya Pradesh Assembly seats. Addressing a poll meeting in Dabra, where the Congress is up against Imarti Devi of the BJP, Kamal Nath said that his party candidate was a simple person unlike his opponent who is an item. Meanwhile, Chief Minister of MP Shivraj Singh Chauhan slammed Kamal Nath and decided to hold a 2-hour-long silent protest. Other BJP leaders have also joined him. Chauhan said that where a woman is worshipped, the deities reside there. I am hurt and ashamed of the words of former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh who used these words for a woman yesterday. Former Congress leader from the state and now BJP MP Jyotiraditya Scindia also raised question over the Congress culture. An Uttar Pradesh BJP MLA who has been staunchly defending an aide accused of shooting dead a man in public in Balia last week has been asked by the party chief for an explanation. Sources say that BJP President JP Nadda has also warned the party's UP chief over the conduct of BJP MLA Surendra Singh. The BJP's notice to the MLA comes 4 days after his aide, former army man Dhirendra Singh, allegedly shot a villager during a panchayat meeting in the presence of officials and the police. Dhirendra Singh, missing since the shooting on Thursday, was arrested yesterday. He was caught on the highway after he filed a request to surrender, apparently to avoid a police interrogation. Surendra Singh, an MLA from Balia, has defended the alleged killer since the incident and even claimed that he shot the villager Jai Prakash in self-defense. The overnight rains in Hyderabad, the capital city of Telangana, caused flooding in many parts of the city on Sunday. One girl died in a wall collapse incident due to heavy rains. Police and corporation officials said that once again the flood situation has added to the problems of the people after a few days of the most severe floods in the last century. The rains, which started on Saturday night, caused the lake and other reservoirs to overflow, causing flooding in the low-lying areas. Due to this, the Hyderabad and the outskirts, which were affected last week, were hit by the floods once again. Disaster Response Force personnel, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation personnel and police personnel have been carrying out the rescue operation since Saturday night. Similar to the situation seen last week, the flood water that came after the rain on Sunday filled the basement of several residential complexes in some areas and people were seen walking in knee-deep water. An orange alert has been issued in Hyderabad and parts of Telangana amid a heavy to very heavy rains prediction for Monday from the weather department. An orange alert means be prepared. According to an advisory, flooding and waterlogging are expected in many parts of low-lying areas and districts of Telangana. People in the affected areas have been advised to restrict their movement in view of the heavy rainfall prediction. Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden is not good for India as he could be soft on China, US President Donald Trump's son said at an event to celebrate the success of his book that talks about the graft allegations against Biden's. 42-year-old Donald Trump Jr. is leading the re-election campaign of his 74-year-old father. The presidential election in the US are slated to be held on November 3rd. We have to understand the threat of China, and no one knows that probably better than the Indian Americans, Trump Jr. told a selected group of supporters from the community at an event in Long Island, New York. In his book Liberal Privilege, he has documented allegations of corruption against 77-year-old Joe Biden's family, particularly against his son Hunter Biden.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.